I'm out here in my shop. We'll be working on the welding table. I'm sorry, not the welding table, the welding cart. This is it in its present state. Gonna put the runners in here for the drawer guides between this post and this post, front and back. Okay, we're gonna do that today. Cut those to length, get those tacked and welded in, and move to putting the plates on. I'm going to try to give you guys an update as I'm going along and see where this goes. Bottom of the deal came down 3/8. That's the bottom of the drawer guide. 1/8 for spacing for the drawers. Down another 3/8 for the top of the next rail. And then we just start the process all over. So I'll have a shallow drawer. I have three or four shallow drawers at a couple inches. Then a 4-inch drawer, a 5-inch drawer, and a 10-inch drawer. Or a 9-inch drawer. Okay. We got the plate in place. As you can see, I've got my clamps out ready to clamp it down to go ahead and tack weld it on and then finish welding it out. Obviously, I've got to take and remove some of the mill scale off of this so I get a good weld and make sure that it's not going to pop loose on me later after I get this thing built. Anyway, I did want to put this in here. I'm not a professional welder. I don't do this for a living. This is something that I do for me, my time, my projects, kind of my stuff. I don't profess to know anything or everything about welding. I just know what I do and I know what I've learned to this point. Constantly learning new stuff all the time. If anybody has any tips out there that might help me out, shed some light on some things that I may or may not be doing wrong, hey, all comments are welcome. You want to hate on me, that's on you. I'm not going to waste my time with that, so I'm not too worried about haters. So anyway, you guys are welcome to comment too. So anyway, I'm going to get busy and take this mill scale off and try to make this not too much of a mundane video. So here we go. Okay, all done, ready for tacking, and we'll get that done here in just a little bit. I'm gonna run through this process pretty quick, then I'll start getting these rails up in here. Okay, we got that all tack welded in. I'll come back and do the stitch welding on it and probably create about 1-inch welds on it all the way around. That should be good enough. Alright guys, I figured I'd go ahead and stop here today. This is got the bottom plate in. We still need to put the runners in for the guide rails. I'm gonna take that up tomorrow. This has been a pretty long video today. Had some other things that come up, had to go take care of real quick. Anyway, got it tack welded. I still need to put the 1-inch zipper welds on it. That's what I call them anyway. I don't know if that's the right term or not. But just wanted to give you a quick update on that. And this is where we're gonna stop this video today.